All right, sub-zero high temperatures once again. It's 2 below, though, in Cavalier, 4 below in Roseau. Those are milder spots. It's 13 below in Thief River Falls with Gwinner holding at 9 below. Out to the east, how about 0 in Baudette this hour? Not too bad. Factor in the winds, though. We still have some pretty nasty wind chills out there in the 20 to 35 below category across our region. And we're still concerned about wind chills. But first, take a look at this cold air. It has dove all the way into the Gulf of Mexico. And in this part of the nation where temperatures are driving so cold, so far below average, we actually have warnings for cold weather there as well. It starts up here in the northern plains. Wind chill advisory as opposed to a warning for us as we go through the overnight hours. But take a look at this. A hard freeze warning for parts of southern Texas, Louisiana, and the Gulf Coast states, as that Arctic air mass has really plowed down to the south. Fairly quiet as far as precipitation is concerned across the United States. The coast of Texas seeing some possible mixed precipitation, and then downwind from the big lakes here we have some bands of lake effect snow taking place. For us, clear sky is allowing us to see that mostly moony sky at this hour. Your hour-by-hour forecast shows clear skies continue. Temperatures will be slow to fall, and part of the reason is we'll have a southerly wind that'll be increasing as we go through the overnight hours. So temperatures of the air will be between 10, 15 below in the early overnight hours. And as we approach daybreak, particularly out in our western counties, look at the winds start to pick up with gusts over 20 miles per hour. It's going to make these temperatures, which aren't too bad with recent trends considered, well, it's going to be pretty bad wind chills out there first thing in the morning. Notice this, we have a little frontal system working its way through as we go through the day, but morning wind chills are right around 30 below to start your Tuesday. And as you're heading back to work and school, kids, we'll have a midday shot of snow, a brief period of snow moving from northwest to southeast through the region. It should be gone for your drive home. Many areas picking up, a trace to a few tenths, a ½ inch to an inch in isolated locations. As that system works its way through, it burps some warm air out, and that's not a bad thing as temperatures for everyone look to be above the 0 point for your afternoon. So starting out at -10 and 30 below wind chill factor, then we'll see temperatures rising into the teens. Won't feel all that warm with the winds still pretty persistent and becoming northwesterly late in the day. 9 Langdon on your way home from work or school, 13 Valley City, and out to the east we'll have temperatures between 5 and 10 degrees. And don't forget that midday shot of snow. Take a look at this fascinating feature. These are ice spikes on a river near the Chaffee, North Dakota area. Rich captured these as the river, burping some bubbles of air up through it, causes these towers of ice to form. Pretty amazing. Here's a look at that moon, the same one we're seeing tonight, but this was over War Road. Take a look at your planning forecast. The cold takes hold tonight. Tomorrow a little better, but we're back in the deep freeze on Wednesday with temperatures below 0 for the entirety of the day. Thursday better, Friday better yet as we warm. And then if you are heading to Frisco, we're expecting temperatures to be near 50 for game time out there. All in all, not too bad for here either with 21 degrees. But that comes with a shot of some snow possibilities. It does look cooler to begin next week.
Wow.